10th arithmetic progression revision.
Okay, start it. Okay, here parameters are given. What is A? What is A? What is A? Why A is first term? A is first term. What is D? Isn't it? What is D?
Common difference.
A2 minus A1 is equal to, or A3 minus A2 is equal to common difference. That is common difference. Now, what is N? Number of terms in the problem. What is AN? AN is equal to, what is AN? What is AN? Last term. Last term. What is last term? AN or last term or nth term is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. D is common difference. Then AN is equal to here. A is given as 7 and N is given as number of terms are given as 8. 8 minus 1 of 3. Then it will become 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Then the answer is last term is 28. What is the last term? What is the last term?
28.
28. Here the next problem parameters are what is A? What is A?
A is 7.
A is first term. A is first term. What is D? Second, not second term. Common difference. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. That is the common difference. What is N? What is N? Run away. What is N? What is N? Number of terms. What is AN? Last term or another name? Nth term also. You have to call it nth term also. Don't talk. Then what is formula? What is formula? Last term is equal to. Check. Tell me, Lord. Tell me. Don't tell me. A plus last term is equal to A plus N minus 1 half D. And then half and D into, that is. AN is equal to from all three numbers AN is given here. A1 is equal to first term plus number of terms minus 1 of common difference. Then A is, don't talk. AN is how much is given here? AN is how much is given here? AN is how much given? 0. Here AN is 0. AN is 0. A is minus 8 first term and number of terms are given 10. 10 minus 1 of D. Then 18 is equal to 90. 10 minus 1 90. 9 2s are